Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for the newcomers, as always, I'm Scholar. And for the returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be going a bit different, just a little bit. Someone requested for a video, and as you know, I'm here for you, my viewers. So, someone requested for how I usually clean my couch, my sofa set. So in today's video, I'll be cleaning my couch or my sofa set, and I'll be doing it with you. So I'll be sharing it with you. So hope you'll enjoy this video. Please don't forget to comment, give this video a thumbs up, and as always, if you have not subscribed, subscribe. And so let's get to the business of today. So I'll start by dusting the couch very quickly. As you can see, it's very dirty. My sons does this, come with the food there and do this. So I'll start by dusting the couch, and I'll be using this brush. It's very soft. It's a cloth brush. The brush we use to wash clothes, not the brush we use to do what? To wash shoes. So I'll be doing it very fast. So we'll start with this. I just remove the loose dirt. Fast.
Don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll try to fix it. Love, I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll change it.
So after that, there's some detergent I normally use, and today I'll be using this one. Okay, let me tell you, I used to use Sunlight Clean Soft, but for this one, it removes stains very easily. So I can highly recommend it. It is classic and it's cheap. So I'll be using this plastic, just this one. Imagine this one is enough. I'll be putting in water, bucket of water. This one, this is called Vim. It normally removes the what do I call it? The harmful, the bad smell from the couch when it's drying, wherever. So I'll be using this Vim. This one is enough. As you know, it is made with lemon fresh. So to use the couch with that lemon smell, and I'll be using this Downy, just a little bit of it. That's enough. So for the couch to dry so fast, because my couch after washing, like after 30 minutes, not even 30, after 20 minutes, it's ready to sit. It's not wet. It's already dry, clean and fresh. So I normally use this. This is baking soda. It helps in drying the couch very fast. As you know, even for when you cook with baking soda, with a dough, it will normally make it hard. So in services, it makes it dry. So I'll be using this one, just a little bit. And yes, that's my detergent, the detergent I use. For the tools I use a brush and a piece of towel. And I'll start with I'll start by cleaning just here. you know, places like here where there's a wood, you can't use a brush. If you use a brush, you'll spoil the seats. So I normally use a piece of towel. You dip it into the water, squeeze it, then you just rub like this. With the detergent, it will help you remove the dirt. We are done with that part.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine, love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert.
So next I'll be cleaning this part, but because it's a bit hard, a little bit, I'll be using this brush because it's also dirty.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes.
So using this brush, I'll be using.
Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, love, love,
And you know,
I wanna be
see,
strong.
the hamburgers is the dirtiest.
We're
You never
doing
know.
wrong, 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 but I'll change it,
The hamburgers and for
change
the
it.
mothers, they see the whole seat is dirty. Why? Because of babies coming to sit there, eating there, doing everything there.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I'm inside. I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In these deserts, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you my mystery. I would like to go with you to the street. Please don't tell.
Now we'll be cleaning this one. Since are very easy to clean, just remove the upper dirt. Then when they are dirty, you remove them and wash.
Seeing eyes, what it feels inside. I don't know where we're gonna fly. We did sometimes. Seeing eyes, love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In these deserts, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Broken the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you my mystery. I would like to go with you.
The imagine I'm done.
Please don't
I'm just done. I'm just what? Just tired. As in overtired. But my friend, I'm tired, but my feet is clean. You know if you can see. Yes. Yeah. We are done. And your hands you can see. And guys, after 20 minutes, I'll be able to sit. And even now, I can even sit. Can you see how clean it is? Very, very, very clean. Yes. You see? You bring your nearer. And yes, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed, and also even you, if you want a video that you would like me to do for you, I'm ready. Thank you so much for the 156 subscribers. Thank you so much. Love you.